Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric, and today's video comes to you by a request from a viewer who asked me to show him on these small outboards where do you go to lubricate the joints, like this swivel part right here. There are two little parts which I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can see it, and how to use the grease gun. So let me bring you guys in closer. Okay, so this is what the little joints, the little section you would use to grease the parts. My outboard only has two because it's a small 6 horsepower. So the smaller ones, on the small outboards like mine, from like 2 to 6, this is a 6 horsepower Tohatsu, you will have very few. However, on the outboards that have like 9, 10 horsepower or higher, you might see some of those little greasing points. You might see some of them here, back here as well. You might see some here as well. And anyway, let me get started and show you guys how it works. All right, so basically here is the grease gun, which, by the way, I'm gonna show you guys a little picture on the screen, where I got it from on Amazon. You guys get to see it. It's like 24, 25 bucks. That's how much it cost. It comes with one tube, and you put it inside like so. The tube literally fits inside very snugly, and then you put it in the tube. You might have to give it a couple taps at the bottom to make sure it's, it's all there. And then you guys can kind of see this end like this, the way it looks. It goes right in there until it clicks. You're gonna give it about 2 or 3 good pumps. Yeah, that's what she said. There we go. That's good. Let's go ahead and do this one. Again, 2 or 3 good pumps, maybe 4. That's the 1. That's 2, 3. There you go. All right. So once you put in the grease, you want to go and swivel the outboard a bit. It'll be a good idea for you to have a stand for this. If you happen to not have a stand, I will do my best to put a few below on the description. It might need a little bit more. Let me see. Probably a few more pumps, I'm thinking. And or if you happen to have your outboard on your boat and you have it on a trailer, just leave it on the trailer to get near it, and then give it a few more pumps. Let me put a couple more here. I think that'll be good. It's good to do at least maybe once a year if you give it heavy use. And going pushes at the bottom. There we go. That's done. This one's almost done too. So again, keep in mind that if you happen to have a bigger outboard, you might have a few of these around. Make sure you seek them out, because those are the ones you're gonna be pumping some grease into it. And again, about once a year under heavy use. If you use it maybe sparingly, once or twice a month, and once every 2 years, give it some grease. And guys, that is how you grease the joints on an outboard. I hope you guys found this video informative, and thank you, fellow viewer, for making this suggestion. It's a good idea, and I'm sure that others will benefit from it. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.